Video on import from direct URL or Amazon S3 storage. Log into dashboard, click on the import option. For the URL import, choose import from URL. Here you have to put the direct video URL. Please note that this can't be used to import directly from YouTube, because firstly YouTube embed URLs are not direct video URLs. Direct video URL means URLs which point to direct video files. Suppose a URL which has at the end the main file in MP4, FLV or any typical video format. Also, importing directly from YouTube is against YouTube's policy. So this is for direct import from a hosted video file. So you have to add URLs here. You can also add multiple URLs in separate lines. So for example, I am copying here a sample video URL. And I have choose the import option. So as you can see, it is showing processing here. So it will fetch it from backend and in some time it would get ready. Then import from Amazon S3. If you click on the import option for the import from S3, it will show that you have to go to an alternate dashboard to log in. So you click on the old dashboard link. If it asks you for login, please log in using the same credentials as the main dashboard. Here you have to again click on the import option, choose import from S3. S3 here means Amazon storage, which is commonly known as S3. Here it will ask you which region you have, what is the bucket, what is the access key, what is the secret key. You have to put into that and it will connect you directly with your Amazon S3 and you can import videos from your Amazon S3. We also use Amazon storage at our backend. So whenever you import a video, so it is actually being shifted from Amazon's S3 of yours to our Amazon S3. Since it happens in backend, so you don't need to upload from your computer, and also Amazon to Amazon transfers are generally quite fast. Thank you.